Everyone, we are here at Delivered Mr. Miss India, the beauty pageant in its fourth season. And we've got these beautiful lasses and handsome hunks who are here to get groomed. Let me get you to be introduced to all of them. Hello everyone.
Hi.
You say a big hi.
Hi.
Right. So we have the guys too. Woohoo! Soda, lemon, ginger pop. Soda, lemon, ginger pop. झुकती है दुनिया. Great. So we've just had the first session of beauty pageant grooming on beauty psychosomatics, where all the contestants delved into deeper levels of their subconscious and they had some wonderful experiences. We're going to have a few of them share how they felt whilst they were doing very deep seated meditation. Yes. Who would like to speak? Let's hear you. Come dear.
Hello, my name is Mayuri Virk and I'm married to a Punjabi. I'm a Marathi myself.
Wonderful. Okay.
Yeah, and it's a love marriage and it has been a year and a half.
Okay.
And I'm kind of emotional by nature, you know. I mean...
It's okay. It's okay. It's perfectly okay. Oh, my little baby. How was it while you were doing the exercise?
It was really like, on the first seat was my husband and...
You don't have to share your mentors.
Okay.
You have to share your experience.
Again, he was like, come on yaar. He never likes when I cry, you know.
हाँ.
And he's like...
अब तो तुम Facebook Live worldwide में cry कर रहे हो. Okay. How was the experience?
The experience was really good. I actually, you know, got to know myself. That
Wonderful.
What I want.
Yes.
Okay, you can say I was just imagining the mentors out there.
Right.
And those were my close ones, you can say. And they were like really positive.
Right.
And they were just saying those things which I wanted in real. You know,
Right.
so that is, you want the crown? Okay, come on, it already suits you, right? You can get it and everything. And
yeah, okay.
yeah, and the next mentor I can say was from my childhood.
You don't have to introduce the mentors.
Yeah.
आपको exercise में क्या फायदा हुआ आपको वो बोलना है.
Ma'am, I got to know myself.
Got to know myself.
Yeah, and what you said, I've already did it. I've
Okay.
already achieved what I wanted.
Wow, wow. She's already achieved what she's here for.
Yeah.
Wow, 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 wow.
I don't know if I'll be getting the crown or not. Okay, but I'm really happy for what I am and I'm here. Right
Wonderful. Crown is just one milestone. It's not the end. Right? You see such profound realizations? See, it's all inside you. Did I teach her? We awakened her soul. The soul is omnipresent. The soul is omniscient. Soul knows everything. She says, I realize myself has never done it before. And there's one more Guru mantra. Anytime any stress comes to you, you're gonna say, what's the big deal, man? Bolo, what's the big deal? What's the big deal, man? Bolo. What's the big deal, man? अब इसके बारे में सोचो, what's the big deal? Is the end of the world? No. Is the end of your life? No. It's another milestone. We're gonna enjoy this journey. It's a blossoming. फूल जब खिलता है, धीमा धीमा खुलता है, खिलता है. और फूल की सुंदरता इतनी आकर्षित होती है, वो आपको बोलता है मेरी तरफ देखो. बट फूल की ब्यूटी इतनी एनामरिंग होती है कि आप अपने स्वयं को भूल जाते हो और आप फूल की ब्यूटी में ही डिसॉल्व हो जाते हो. सो वी गोना अवेकन द ब्यूटी ऑफ योर सोल. सोल विल पॉजिटिवाइज द माइंड एंड ब्यूटिफाई द बॉडी. ये सब तो हो जाएगा, पर अंदर की अवस्था क्या है? हम बाहर की तरफ क्यों झांकते हैं? क्योंकि हमें अंदर झांकना नहीं आता है. स्वयं का साक्षात्कार नहीं करना आता है. अंदर सब कुछ है. राइट? फ्यू मोर एक्सपीरियंसेस. टेल मी. वांट टू से? कम.
जब मैं ये सब सुन रही थी, मुझे लगा कि मैं वहीं पे चली गई हूँ और आंखें बंद करके मैं करीब वही फील कर रही थी कि हाँ मेरे सामने 3 चेयर है और
मेंटर्स के बारे में हमें नहीं बताना है, हमारा एक्सपीरियंस क्या हुआ और एक्सपीरियंस हमें क्या फायदा हुआ वो बताना है. मेंटर इज योर इनर ट्रूथ, इनर सीक्रेट.
really works for me cause मैं अपने आप को वो जगह देख पा रही थी जब आप सब कुछ बोल रहे थे ना. मैं फील कर रही थी कि मैं हाँ मैं उस जगह पे हूँ एंड मतलब अंदर से अभी पॉजिटिविटी आ रहा है. ऐसा
Right.
नहीं कि मैं रो दी हो या कुछ
जरूरत नहीं. Yes.
नहीं, बस I feel it. बस that's
I
it.
feel it. It all happens from the feelings. It's called future pacing. She created her own destiny. She created her own future. And the more powerfully she keeps reasserting that image, that impression, that future will become true for her. So you actually are the maker of your future, of your destiny, and we know not. We don't know how to use our own powers. Yeah? Who else? या आपको मेंटर्स के बारे में नहीं बताना है, आपको क्या फायदा हुआ उसके बारे में बोलना है.
This was one of the best experience I could have ever.
Really?
Yes.
Woo!
Ma'am, my mentors advised me one thing. Only I am one step away from the what I want, and I am at the top of the world. But just I have to do one thing to achieve that, and that I will do this time.
One step away from her ultimate goal, and
Yes,
she will
ma'am.
achieve it.
Yes, ma'am. They have given me the advice what I have to do, and I will do it.
She will do it. You! Right. Now, boys. Yeah, boys.
I believe it's all about happiness. Happiness resides inside us.
Right.
It's just we need to be aware of it.
I don't want psychological lessons. I want to know your experience. मुझे ज्ञान नहीं चाहिए, आपको क्या अनुभव हुआ और उस अनुभव से आपको क्या रियलाइजेशन हुआ. ज्ञान की कमी नहीं है हमारे पास.
एक्सपीरियंस क्या हुआ, मतलब अंदर में जो डर था मेरा वो निकला अंदर
Yes,
से.
you.
जो कॉन्फिडेंस लैक कर रहा था कि नहीं यार मुझ में ये कमियां है, मेरे मेंटर ने वो सब बताया. नो, यू कैन डू इट, यू हैव दैट पोटेंशियल, यू कैन डू इट. सो वो सारी चीजें, हैप्पीनेस के अंदर खुश होने लगा मैं अंदर से.
खुश होने लगा. तो उन्होंने जो हैप्पीनेस बोली, उन्होंने रिजल्ट बोला, बट ही कुड नॉट कनेक्ट कि व्हाट हैपेंड. सो आई सेड मैं हैप्पीनेस ज्ञान के हिसाब से नहीं जानना चाह रही हूँ, मैं हैप्पीनेस चाहती हूँ कि आपका अनुभव क्या हुआ, क्योंकि वो जो अनुभव हुआ उसमें आपका स्वयं का साक्षात्कार हुआ है. वो जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो आपका लाइफ भर आपके साथ रहेगा. Anytime, anywhere, you're in any kind of trouble, you're facing any kind of challenge, just close your exercise and do this exercise. Close your eyes and do it, and I assure you, you will get help. रास्ते खुल जाएंगे. Trust me on that. Who else? बोलो. Hanks, handsome Hanks. Yes.
It makes me more
थोड़ा
confident.
लाइट में आओ. हाँ. Right.
It makes me more confident. एंड अंदर से एक पॉजिटिव बिलीव आया मेरे अंदर.
Yes.
लाइक मैं ये मतलब ये मेरे लिए बहुत आसान है, मैं कर लूंगा, बहुत आसानी से कर लूंगा. और अंदर से अंदर एक मतलब वो बिलीव जगह की नहीं, ये हो जाएगा मेरे से, बहुत आसानी से हो जाएगा.
वंडरफुल. तो आप ये सब पहले एक्सरसाइज से पहले ये बात आप बोल रहे थे कि हमको पॉजिटिव होना है, पर हमारे सारा ज्ञान कहाँ चला जाता है जब हम स्टेज पे जाने वाले होते हैं. वी फॉरगेट द हु वी आर. तो आप में एक ऐसी चीज है, अगर मैं वो चीज आपसे निकाल लूं, यू डू नॉट एग्जिस्ट. व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग? सोल कैसे मैनिफेस्ट करती है, कैसे एक्सप्रेस करती है? श्वास से. अगर ये श्वास नहीं है, आपकी बॉडी ओवर है. बिफोर गोइंग ऑन द स्टेज, यू गोना फोकस ऑन योर ब्रेथ. दिस इज द एरिया. उस टाइम भूल जाना है क्या क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, कैसे मेरी ड्रेस है, मैं ट्रिप तो नहीं करूंगी, मैं बोल पाऊंगी नहीं बोल पाऊंगी, हाय मेरे पेट में गड़गड़ हो रहा है, हाय वॉशरूम नहीं गई मैं, यू नो ऑल दैट स्टफ. उस टाइम सिर्फ श्वास का सोचना है, इस जगह पे फोकस करना है और स्वयं को बोलना है आई कैन, आई विल डू इट, आई शैल डू इट, आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन इट. Are we clear? Yes. So it's my journey and I will do it. Are we done with this session? Yes. Any more sharing? Yes, ma'am. Yeah, tell me. आओ आगे आओ. जितना तुम इजहार करोगे, तुम अपनी बिलवट को बोलते ना यार इश्क का इजहार कर, बोलते हो ना गर्लफ्रेंड को बोल आई लव यू, है ना? बोलते नहीं बोलते? कितने बोलते हैं? क्यों कोई नहीं बोलता है? ओह माय गॉड, हाउ अनरोमांटिक, हाउ अनरोमांटिक. तुम्हें देखो कितनी एक्साइटमेंट हो गई कमरे में आई लव यू के नाम पे, राइट? हम सब एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट एंड अप्रिसिएशन, कूल साइलेंस. हम एक अप्रिसिएशन मांगते हैं. हम एक अप्रिसिएशन के लिए आए ना यहाँ पे, एक्नॉलेजमेंट के लिए. जितना तुम इजहार करोगे, इफ आई से हे यू सो ब्यूटीफुल, तुम क्या करोगी? 10 चीज और करोगी टू लुक मोर ब्यूटीफुल, राइट? इसी तरह से जितना तुम एक्नॉलेज एंड अप्रिशिएट करोगे, तुम्हारी पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेंथ्स बढ़ेंगी. हम बोलते हैं आई लव यू नहीं बोलना है, मेरा लव तुम फील कर लो, मैं बोलूंगा नहीं. बोलते हो ना, फील माई लव, बट से आई लव यू मैन. या तो इजहार करो. सो अब इजहार करो कि तुम्हें क्या फीलिंग्स हुई, क्या फायदा हुआ. प्लीज कम. जितना इजहार करोगे तुम उसको सॉलिडिफाई कर रहे हो अपने एक्सपीरियंस बैंक में.
After meditating myself, after feeling these all things, I think that don't wish for it, work for it.
Don't be.
Don't wish for it, work for it.
Don't wish for it, work for it.
And don't compare to anyone. Don't compare yourself to anyone.
Right.
Just trust on it, believe on yourself, and do for it. That thing I.
ये तो रियलाइजेशन हुआ, पर उस टाइम अनुभव क्या हुआ?
I just feel that be a positive attitude for yourself.
Right.
Trust on yourself. Don't
Okay.
compare to anyone.
Okay.
And if you are doing anything, so be loyal for your work, do your work, and trust on yourself.
Wonderful,
Thank you.
wonderful. Anybody else? We are under worldwide visibility. My Facebook, Insta means you are worldwide being watched.
Hi, myself Anish. Before I came coming here, I was reading a book called Spirit.
Okay.
It was regarding law of attraction. I think
Wonderful. Spirit, law of attraction.
I wish everybody should at least read it once.
No ज्ञान, अनुभव क्या हुआ?
Yeah, because actually when I was reading that book, I felt wow, what is like law of attraction is.
Right.
But doing it as an exercise was like I was starting like this, but ending when the light came, I was like my whole body was shivering with excess power, and I cannot control it myself. That
He experienced power. Where is that power? Inside you. Did I pump that power? No. I triggered your soul.
Yes.
And you're omnipresent, omniscient, and omnipotent. All the powers are inside you.
Yes. After
Yeah?
that, each and everything I can, feel it. Even the mud which was going through my legs, I can feel it. Even the breeze going through my hair.
Yes.
Everything was excellently, felt by me, and that was.
This is called an experience which is existential in consciousness. तो आपको स्वयं का साक्षात्कार हुआ. Please, 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 is one of the most precious experiences of your life. Save it. Anytime, anytime. Say what you want to say. Come. Fast. Under the light. Yeah.
This was most like self-hypnotism, how it was.
No, this was not self-hypnotism.
It's like...
Please don't give bad names.
No. It's like putting your conscious mind to sleep and activating your subconscious mind. And it's more like self-realization.
Self-realization.
And actually it was... I felt very peaceful and very calm. At first I was kind of nervous and kind of agitated. But after this, I feel very peaceful and calm, and all my senses are a little heightened, and
Higher senses were heightened.
yeah, and I don't know. I feel very confident and very calm right now.
Wonderful, wonderful, great. So, 3 chairs for Dollywood. Over to Vinod ji. बोलिए कुछ बोलिए. कैसा लगा आपने अपने बच्चों को ब्लॉसम होते हुए देखा?
मैंने पूरा टाइम यही दे दिया आपको देखा सुनने में.
जी कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा
लगा.
बहुत अच्छा.
Great. The big expert, the big industry expert.
I loved it. All the people and all the models are, the girls are very pretty and the boys are, extremely handsome.
Wonderful. Great. So, love you guys. We'll catch up again really soon. We're proceeding to the next session of grooming, and we'll catch up again. Love you until then.